We were so excited to welcome Heather Reck today to the Skin Institute Internationale, who is the HydroPeptide trainer. And we love HydroPeptide. It's a beautiful product, one of our favorite products because it happens to be in our school colors. But very sophisticated, active line, and how lucky we have been to have Heather as our top educator today at the Skin Institute Internationale.
Mary, it was my pleasure to be here and spend the morning with your students. They were absolutely fabulous, engaging, excited, very focused on all the topics that we discussed, and I look forward to future opportunities to spend with you. But absolutely beautiful school, and your students are just going to do amazing things when they get out into the spa industry. I look forward to seeing more of them.
Great. Thank you for being with us, Heather.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the links below.